What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500-meter long and 200-meter wide at a rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter? Pay attention to this line. Rupees 8 per 100 square meter, not per square meter, per 100 square meter. Now, of course, we have this rectangular plot whose length is 500 meter and the width is 200 meter. Let's suppose that this is our land and 500 meter is the length, 200 meter is the width, and the cost of tiling this rectangular plot is rupees 8 per 100 square meter. Rupees 8 per 100 square meter. Now, in order to find the total cost of tiling, first find the area of this rectangular plot. So the area of a rectangle is length, that is 500 meter in this case, times breadth, that is 200 meter in this case, and you will get what? You will get 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 5 zeros. If you will multiply 500 by 200, you will get 1 lakh, right, square meter. 1 lakh square meter. Now, since for per 100 square meter the cost will be rupees 8, so what will be the cost for per square meter? So for 100 square meter the cost is rupees 8. What will be the cost for 1 square meter? This will be 1 over 100 times 8. Okay, this will be the cost. This will be the cost for 1 square meter. So if for 1 square meter, and this will be rupees 8 over 100. If this is the cost for 1 square meter, then we have 1 lakh square meter. Then what will be the total cost? So total cost for 1 lakh square meter will be rupees. For 1 square meter we have 8 over 100, and how many square meter we have? We have 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will give us rupees 8 times, we have 2 0 here, so 2 0 gone, and we have 3 zeros left, so rupees 8,000. Rupees 8,000 will be the total cost of tiling this whole rectangular plot of land of length 500 meter and width 200 meter.